So Norma, can you tell me a little bit more about what's a common misconception towards the grading system or the 5-star rating, if you will?
Sure. And Alexa, this was why I decided to create the auto grades. Because here I have a daughter who's 25 years old and she's dating a fellow and he's driving a Ford Focus. And I said to her, Michelle, I don't think that's a very safe car. And she said, but Ma, it's 5-star safety rated. And then it dawned on me that here was an intelligent young woman and she was taking on face value that 5-star meant it was as safe a car as any car on the road. And that's why I got committed to do the auto grades, because unlike a restaurant that has 5 stars, there's no qualification, though they might have dollar signs that tell you, okay, this is an expensive restaurant and this is a cheap restaurant. The rating system for this 5-star rating system for cars doesn't tell you that. And in fact, those 5 stars apply to only cars in that class and size. So a smart car gets 4 stars, a Chevy Tahoe gets 4 stars. Does that make sense, that they both get 4 stars? It only makes sense when you realize that the smart car is against the mini compact vehicles, and the Chevy Tahoe is against the full-size SUVs. So that's why I thought we need another system that takes away those restrictions, takes away those qualifications. In our system, the smart car gets a D and the Chevy Tahoe gets an A.
Interesting. And does your grading system differ, whether it's a new car, used car, make, model, year? How is that broken down for us?
Perfect. It is broken down by the year that you pick. Okay, so we have over 24,000 auto grades.
Wow, that's a lot of grades to give out.
Yeah, that's a lot of grades to give out, and it's all on the same scale. So whether it's a 2016 or a 2020, it's all on the same scale. So you get a very good sense about whether or not that car, how that car compares to the most modern cars. And for the newer cars, we're estimating it, but I'm a statistician by training and we get some pretty good estimates out there.
You're definitely the stats genius, so we know who to go to.